Hey guys, in this video I will discuss about Bitcoin history. So let's get started the video. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that can be transferred on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network. Bitcoin transactions are verified by the network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. The cryptocurrency was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or a group of people using the name Satoshi. In the currency began use in 2009 when its implementation was released as open source software. Bitcoin are created as a reward of process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies. Products can service transaction the larger amount of electricity by electricity used by the mining price volatility and theft from exchange. Some investors and economists have criticized it is a predictable at various times. Otherwise, have used it as an investment. Although survival regulatory agencies have issued investors alerts about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been described as an economic bubble by at the last 8 Nobel Memorable Prize in Economic Sciences. Lottie including Robert Schiller and Richard Thaler, journalist, economist, investor, and the Central Bank of Estonia have voiced concerns that Bitcoin is a Ponzi scheme. The word Bitcoin was defined in a white paper published on 31 October 2008. It is an compound of words bit and coin. No uniform convention of Bitcoin capitalization exists. Some sources use Bitcoin capitalized to refer the technology and network, and Bitcoin lowercase for the unit of amount. The Wall Street Journal, the Council of Higher Education, and the Oxford English Dictionary advocate the use of lowercase Bitcoin in all cases. A few local and national governments are officially using Bitcoin is some capacity with two countries and the Central African Republic adopting it is a ledger tender design of Bitcoin. The unit of account of Bitcoin system is the Bitcoin currency. Codes for representing Bitcoin are BTC and XBTC. Its Unicode character is the one Bitcoin is divisible to 8 decimal places. Units of similar amounts of Bitcoin are multi Bitcoin equal to Bitcoin and the Satoshi, which is the smallest possible division, and named is homage to Bitcoin creator representing one of 100 million Bitcoin in Satoshis are 1 BTC, MBTC. The Bitcoin blockchain is a public ledger that records Bitcoin transaction. It is implemented as a chain of blocks, each block containing a cryptography hash of previous block up to genius block in the chain. A network of communicating nodes running Bitcoin software maintains the blockchain transaction of the form pay X sends Y Bitcoin to pay Z are broadcast to the network using uh, readily available software application. Network nodes can validate transaction and them to their copy of the ledger and then broadcast these ledger additions to other nodes to achieve independent verification of the chain of ownership. Each network node stores its own copy of the blockchain at varying intervals of time, averaging to every 10 minutes. A new group of accepting transaction called a block is created, added to the blockchain, and quickly published to all nodes with requiring central oversight. This allows Bitcoin software to determine when a particular Bitcoin was spent, which is needed to prevent double spending. A conventional ledger records the transfer of actual bills of promissory notes to exist apart from it, but the blockchain is the only place the Bitcoin can be said to exist in the form of unspent outputs of transaction, individual blocks, public addresses, and transaction within blocks can be examined using a blockchain explorer.